how to connect Qikink to your Shopify store. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Qikink to your Shopify store. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to connect Qikink to Shopify, the first thing you need to do is open up your Shopify dashboard. Once you have Shopify open, you should be able to see this search bar at the top of the screen. And then we can simply search for Qikink. From there, we'll be able to find this app and we can simply click on it. And from there, we'll be able to find an install button on the left hand side right here. So we can simply click install and it will then ask if you want to install this app. So we're going to go ahead and click install. And once you've done that, you will have successfully connected Qikink to your Shopify store. So that's basically how you can connect Qikink to your Shopify store. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.